Hello students, I am English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh. Today I am going to proceed the chapter Getting Future Ready. This is the third video of the chapter, and you know that I have explained in my last video about the chapter that in the coming time we have to move in the self-driving cars that will be beneficial only not for young people but it will be also beneficial for the old and uh, disabled people. Now you can see in the video, this is a figure and this is the another video for this example. Now you have to see here about this question that here are 10 points and we have to clear these 10 points, that which points are true and which points are false. The first is an autonomous car can steer the wheel, apply the brakes and park itself. This is true answer. This topic is true because an autonomous car has all the facility that can steer the wheel and apply the brakes. It can also park the vehicle at a particular place, so it is true. The second is an autonomous car can predict the weather. This option is not true because in this chapter there is no description about the prediction of weather. Now we come to the topic number 3. An autonomous car can help old and differently abled people move around. This option is true, students, because an autonomous car has all facility that can provide facilities to uh, differently abled people, which can provide them all the facility. Number 4, autonomous. So it is true. Number 4, an autonomous car is the safest means of transport. Student, this is also true option because this is the safest means of transport because there is no problem during traveling. Now number 5, an autonomous car will never violate traffic rules. This is false because in this book the answer has been given its opposite. When we talk about point number 6, an autonomous car has several inbuilt devices and software for driving and navigating. This is true option because all the devices and software for driving and navigating in this automatic self-driving car is true. So we have to clear this answer for true. Now, when we talk about point number 7, an autonomous car functions like human drivers by anticipating and responding to traffic. Student, this is a true option because the function of autonomous car works like human because it can steer the wheel, it can park the vehicle, it can move everywhere without any problem, and it provides safety to the traveler. So it is true. Now when we talk about point number 8, driver itself but needs human to interpret with route condition. This is false because for an automatic car there is no requirement of any humans. When you talk about point number 9, autonomous car has inbuilt cameras that see the road and navigate accordingly. This is true answer because all the function has operated in this car and it can navigate accordingly and it can see the route condition. So this is a true option. Now finally, point number 10. An autonomous car has a hidden robot that actually drives the car. Student, this is true because the system that is operated by a software in the autonomous car has a hidden robot and it actually drives the car, it actually maintain all the condition of the car like the human. So this is the true answer. Okay, when we talk about the next passage, here is a figure you can see here. This robot name is Sophia and it is a human robot. Now you see here, our robots are brains and no heart, all intelligence and no emotion. Students, in the technology can provide us everything, but it cannot provide emotions and heart to the new technology. Technology will provide everything to the user, but like the humans, they have no sense, they have no emotions, they have no heart. A robot can move its limit in limited ways, but it can smile, laugh, or cry. We have to read here that a robot has sense of emotions to smile, to cry, or to love. Well, Sophia is here to answer this question and change the future of humanities. And here we have to read the next passage of this chapter to find out that Sophia is able to do all this fact or not. Here is a word humanites. What is humanites? Now I'm going to clear you this word humanites. Humanites is a machine that look and behave like human beings. Means you have to clear here that humanites is a machine that can work like human. Hence, like human, this machine can provide you all the facility. As you tap the number, as you tap the buttons, it will work like human being. Means you will get no problem uh, as you have a air robot. Okay. Now, you see here our next passage. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, Hong Kong. When you talk about this robot named Sophia, at that time we have to remember the inventor of this robots named Hanson Robotics, who belongs to Hong Kong. Who belongs to Hong Kong. Means this robot Sophia is a social humanoid robot who belongs to Hanson Robotics from Hong Kong. And she was activated on 14 February 2016 and revealed to the public. This robot was activated on 14 February. Means 14 February में इसको activate किया गया था and revealed to the public in March 2016 in Austin, USA. But it revealed means it can show it could showed before the people at USA in 2016. Sophia can display more than 50 facial expression. This robot Sophia has so many qualities. The first quality that she can make expression over its face more than 50 times. Means 50 times she can change the expression of its face. Imitate several human gestures. It had also quality to see the gestures, to see the appearance of human beings, and hold a simple conversation. And these robots had also a great facility to hold conversation, with the people. She has functional legs to can walk like us, and the great facility that is operated in this robot is to she has also legs, the functional legs that can walk like human. Means all the things that is operated in this robot Sophia, it will work like a human being. It will provide all the facility to the owner of its robot. And here we can very proudly say that this is a robot that is fully similar to the human being. Now, student, you have to clear this concept. You have to treasure everything in your heart according to the video, and I hope you have clear all the concept of this passage. And in your notebook, you will also mention the true false statements. You will also write it, and you will also revise it. And in the next video, I will try to complete this chapter. Now, that's all. Till then, you enjoy your days. Okay, goodbye.